Nice.
I look there.
Mm-hmm.
We smell.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
First thing first, we're gonna start off with this, right?
Yeah.
Put the ear in the tire. Y'all say, put on your shades there, man. Place real bright. Put on your shades. Please live bright. I got this compressor all the way from New York when I was working with AAA. Shit bad for this, you know. I used to work with AAA in New York, the Bronx. I get a compressor for like maybe, since I moved down here, right? Almost 9 years now I get a compressor, and up to now I work damn well good. Almost done. Nice, beautiful day today, man. Cook something nice. So what's on the menu today, ma'am?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you mean you don't know?
You tell me, you cook.
Me a cook? I want some egg with cassava.
What kind of egg?
Fish egg.
Sure, it's not on the window.
Yeah, me see shit. Some nice fish egg.
Yeah, that sounds good.
What sound good? Shot by, that sounds really good. So maybe, yeah, that's what we cook, right? The car tire don't ear up. Yeah, he don't ear up. Let me go.
What?
Why you watching me like that?
What? Because I'm hungry and you take forever.
Who tell you to wake up?
Wake up when?
Yeah.
Huh?
5 o'clock in the morning. Unplug me there, man.
Oh God, you got the
Jesus Christ, hold it.
You're strong, man. Come on, strong, man. Pull him out there. Pull him out there. Tell me about Jesus Christ. What Jesus Christ don't know?
Tell you in a minute. Come on, man. Don't slow up.
I hear how this by other people around. Like he pay them, you know? You boss them around like you pay them.
Camouflage today. I'm gonna catch him good. Aye. Simple. If I was you guys, I would have one of this in my car everywhere I go.
Watch him go to walk behind you.
Yeah.
You don't gotta go far. Trying to behind you.
Where?
Right there.
Oh. That's silver good.
Watch one sit on top that too. That one give me out and you're not hear nothing. You only see him out to walk.
Cobalt 8 compressor.
What?
This. A nice thing, 9 years now. 9 years.
Hi. What? Meow. You get fat bite? You get fat? Meow. Obviously the other one was shadow. What you do on the window? Huh? What you doing on this window?
But I'll link at this man down. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Really?
Where to, ma'am? I don't know. So you don't know where we going?
No, just jump in the car.
We just going?
Yeah, me just jump in the truck. Wherever the truck you have it, never go.
Well, wherever the truck you have it, and that's how we going. Ooh. Hold this here, sir.
Wait, I'm gonna put on my safety belt.
Can you safety?
Yeah, so where camera today?
What the back, you know?
How?
Too much walk, man.
Oh.
Remember they take out the wood for nothing, ne? Like, hear my back go creaks.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, woman.
Old age is stepping.
Yeah, they say when you reach 40, now when you start feel all the pain. And for God in heaven's sake, you can feel all the pain. But, you know, as you grow older, the wiser you get. And all you have to do is say God is great. Right? So, we have to give a little blessings for what we have and what we're gonna get.
And what you gonna get yet?
And what I'm gonna get. So I always say, God is good. God is good, my friends. Please subscribe. God is good. Jim Jones in the house!
So, what you say? You after on an adventure? Where you go?
Yeah, today we're gonna go on a cooking adventure. And we're gonna try to catch some cassava.
Try to catch some cassava.
Yeah, catch, cook it clean. So, join us here on this adventure as we go on the hunt for cassava. Cassava.
So what you got on the menu today?
And just for you guys that don't know what cassava is yuca.
So what you got on the menu today?
Here we got some Gilbaka egg. Some nice boil and fry cassava.
Ooh.
I'm making it.
You?
Yeah, man.
And some dumpling?
Yeah, you can do some dumpling. But we want sweet dumplings, right?
Alright. So dumpling, boil and fry cassava and fish egg.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put my hunt right now for some cassava. And then we're gonna come back home.
Cook up some food.
And then say God is good, right?
Yeah.
Shut by. Big up. I would like to send out a greeting all the way in Guyana, Unity Village, Mahika, East Coast, Demerara, to my cousin Jimmy Prashad. Happy birthday, bro. I hope you're enjoying that cold honey can you sent me there just now. I hope you're eating well. And big up to you and your family, and God bless. I'd like to give another birthday shout out to Shamir, man, known as Hog Man, Poke Man, and Slide. Happy birthday, killer. Thanks for all the support, man. You're one of the best. That's Slide. But it's a beautiful day. As long as you wake up, give thanks and praise to the Lord. This egg, put something in this belly, cause right, man,
hungry
man is a hungry man, right?
So you say
what do you want?
nuggets, regular nuggets.
Regular?
Welcome to Wendy's.
Could I have a 10 piece of the regular nuggets, please?
What sauce? Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour.
Anything else?
Yeah, and could I have a number 8, please? The meal, large, with a Coke.
Cloud sticker spicy.
Spicy, please.
Large Coke.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else?
That'll be all.
1912 first window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
She's always so nice. What a man that reached it before Abby. Man.
Freaking bored fly away eat dirty food.
If I can board shit on the head.
Man, not Chinese.
Man, eat the food in peace. God bless. Okay. We eating Chinese. What we eating?
Wendy's.
Got half the fries gone, buddy.
Half in a bag.
Let's see this chicken sandwich. Yeah, I'm hungry. Look at that, guys. Nice spicy sandwich with bacon, cheese, lettuce, tomato. It's nice sauce for Wendy. What you got, booby?
Some nice juicy nuggets with sweet and sour sauce.
Nice. Alright, I'm gonna knock a bite here.
Knock a bite, knock a bite. How long? Moist, moist.
The home cooked meal is good too, but sometimes
Outside will be better.
no.
Not all time, sometimes.
Nice for a craving. Mm. Yo, I know again now with me.
Everything fly away with you.
Every damn thing, yo. Hmm? Like everything. I mean, you've been flying away like crazy. Nice, huh?
We gotta watch and see if we fly with it.
You can't fly with it though.
Why?
What do you mean why? Hmm?
Everything you fly away from you. What about me?
We can fly with your eyelash.
What eyelash?
What's your name?
Eyelash. Yeah, like a blink, blink and fly away. Move, grab her on.
I need to do something very important. Fix my boat. Nothing wrong with the boat, you know.
No.
I will just register them. Put the plates on the trailer.
And then vroom vroom in the water. Catch 2 bass, come back and cook them up. Yeah, bass, no tilapia, bass.
Catch 2 bass and roast your ass.
What are you gonna do now?
Catch 2 bass and roast it. And roast your ass.
With some okra.
Steam okra.
You know, growing up, I was never a big fan of okra. But now,
Why do you have to like them so much?
I have no clue. Just one day, I make them myself. I fry them and eat them, and I was like, okay. Tastes good. Same thing with Carolina too.
Fried okra is good too. Fry one. You chop them up. Put them in the sun, they dehydrate. Some butter and fry it up and look good. And the other day I will try a piece of grilled okra. It's good. Real good.
But me like okra and fish curry. Yeah, I like okra and fish curry, cocoa rice, and
But let me get finger right this.
You get what?
Finger right this. Well?
I like okra and fish curry, cook up, and fish too.
Yeah, more than half away here, boy. A man I even video. But I was saying that I want to cook some asparagus, like Bora. All this time we miss out a whole nice conversation. A whole nice conversation I missed out just now. Huh?
There's only 10 nuggets.
Meat one big one with bread and lettuce and tomato. You more?
Yeah, you want?
Nah, man, I'm very full.
No, pretty good.
I'm scared now. We gotta go in the store.
Oh, the spicy sandwich? Really?
Yeah, see the okra one thing. Okra. I put them in the thing. The egg. Oh. We really coming here for one thing, you know. One bacon. Pepper in your bag. So wait, where you get it? Habanero? Alright, throw them in the bag. You pick up sugar? Yeah. Ain't good enough for you? Huh?
No. You just sweeten it up. Sweeten it a little bit more.
Yeah, I like Kool-Aid. What? Ah, not nice. You guys ever had pickled egg? Have we?
Huh?
Pickled egg?
No, we never try them, but you try them. Tell me how you want.
That shit was no good.
This is for my cake.
Can't make cake without egg. Look, we gotta buy egg.
Oh, you want me to lay them?
Alright guys, so we're in the jungle, in the supermarket. And now, spot the cassava.
You about to attack?
About to attack your ass.
Attack, 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 attack!
You fight! Oh!
Na broke up my egg, buddy.
Yeah, with me. Want some chicken bread?
No. You want some bread and chicken?
No, I have some of this food. I want to get it.
What soda? Oh, the glass bottle one? Yeah.
You need though. They're okay for though.
Yeah, but it's not the same, okay?
Find this outside?
No. Pack the bag, pack the bag, pack the bag.
I took 2 large bags.
Need anything else?
From here? Huh?
No, from Family Dollar, Dollar General. Wow. Where about it?
Okay, I gave him a special reason. The special reason is I need some container to plant some organic stuff.
Some organic herbs?
Yeah, organic herbs. Not celery and shallot and things.
Herbs.
Alright, you know. So, I've been here to look for Christmas tree and I've been past the Christmas tree like 6 miles. I was 6 miles ago. Police do over there, so I laugh, like my laugh, you know. But that remind me when I was young. I used to go play all the time in the grass garden.
Oh God, not the grass love story.
Right? So I've been there, you know. I've just been with Bokta and thing one time.
What?
Bokta.
You doesn't wear?
Yeah. And I was just play in the grass, right?
Uh-huh.
And you know then the red grass louse thing?
Uh-huh.
You used to pace up on me. Right? I mean, I'm out there like this.
Ew.
And then got a baboon.
Yeah, right. That's not true.
Yeah, girl, you have to eat them. You eat them.
How it is?
Lousy. Lousy. Yeah, but if you eat them, them a plant it on you. When you.
Number what?
Them a plant on you.
What am I plant?
I plant a seed.
I know a grass to grow afterwards.
No, here. Yeah. Bush tea.
Whatever you eat this morning, do not eat them back. Because I think you agree with you.
Why can't I remember the story? Huh? Ma can't remember.
Who in the right mind go eat grass loaves?
You never eat them?
No, me never had grass loaves.
Oh.
Me doesn't go play naked in grass.
When you walk in the wedding house, there's dogs. Hey dog! Right? When you walk in a wedding house, first thing auntie asks for. I didn't say that wrong. Guys, just in case you don't know, let me reintroduce myself. My name is Kenrock, known as Kenny, known as Butcher Man, known as Grass Love Eater.
No, you also known as Eat It All.
Alright. Long belly Indian. You never call me. Right? But I did songs like No She Gone Away, which is like this right here.
All these years I've been waiting for you, girl. Now that I found you, you're with another man. Now she gone away. She about to get married. Oh, now she gone away. She about to get married.
Yeah. Yes, here we go now. Big tune is. What would tell you something? What would tell you something? Baby, I wish it was me instead of him. I would have give you a big diamond ring. I would have never make you cry and tears. What would tell you something? What would tell you something? Baby, I wish it was me instead of him. I would have give you a big diamond ring. I should have never make you cry and tears. Original Dandara. When you walk in the wedding house there, everybody, that national anthem, you know, baby. Yeah. And you carry me away now, and here, when I hear this next wedding tune, I hear about the blink.
How you blink? Let me see.
Blink, blink, blink. Yeah, man. And by the way, I am gonna start doing private events only, not at a show, because I don't like promoters. But I want to do private shows. So if you have a backyard thing and you need somebody to come and bust a couple tunes, holla at your boy, no man. Support the cars. If you want to hear a song like this, buddy, them tune this high. Well, when them tune this come out first time, a lot of people come in. And you know what I say? Bye. Oh, my neighbor crying non-stop.
For because of the song?
Yeah, that song make a lot of people cry, yeah. Make me cry too. You're right in front of the yard. Yeah, I want to go see the lake. I'll go see the lake.
Let's go see the lake. And you gotta drive far for go to this lake, eh?
Yeah. You know, I was to bring a pot out here and do a couple YouTube video. Got a lakeside cooking. Where's that?
Oh, water look nice.
Yeah, park look nice too. Calm. Yeah, for real.
I'm sure too rat out, man.
Listen, man, how much thing you want to do really, man?
A lot.
Nice day today though.
Look a bird.
Yeah.
Oh, di pa na duck. Oh, nasty good.
We just take off my glass for a wink.
Oh.
You know.
Okay, bye.
Where you go, man?
What is catfish, bye?
What the little boo-boo? Hey, baby, Jubu.
Actually, he ready to go on the boat.
Hey, me baby, how you meow so, man? No, I tell you, little boo-boo. What? Where's that? Where's that? Come to Papa, hurry up, come,
Big
come.
stress.
Come to Papa.
Alright, time to cook the fish egg.
I'm getting some bramble together.
Some what?
Some bramble. You know the bramble? So, tried a little crab thing, but
No workout. No workout.
workout. But tonight, around 9 o'clock, probably gonna try to see if we can see some shooting stars by the lake. And try to catch it on camera. If we do catch it on camera, of course you guys will see. Once again, thanks again for coming back to our channel, Cooking with Ken and Rhea. If you guys didn't subscribe, please subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon to get notified every time we do a video like this. You guys don't want to miss. Also, I encourage you guys to share on your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you got this. If you're watching this video,
Share with a friend and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.
Not to tell a friend. So we're getting the bramble ready.
Hi, princess. Hi. Alright, you get your bramble ready. And me could go get me pot ready. Okay, bye.
Come on, getchy. We'll be doing the dishes. I starting the fire. Hello. Wataguani. Princess. May balon na there. You could come just now. Huh? Balu. Alright guys. There it is. I think we're catching a little spark. Oh shit. Like to catch on fire. And then we have to throw 'em. It's been raining the past couple of days over here.
That was the lighter.
Yeah. What happened to man?
Jesus Christ, you almost make me shit up myself.
Girl, miss. Why you pass on so wrong? You got pants down wrong. Alright, so we got the fish egg here. We're done cleaning thing, you know.
Let me go wash them back to suit myself.
Yeah. Just gotta thaw out a little bit. We got mango. We got the saijan, the okra, tomatoes, our pepper.
And fresh green seasoning from the garden.
And what?
Fresh green seasoning from the garden.
Fresh green seasoning from the sardine.
Garden.
Oh, sorry. Fresh green seasonings from the sardine. Shot by something wrong with we.
Not we.
Oh.
You.
Fresh green seasoning on the sardine. Shot by. I'm gonna get gravy with.
It's got to get old.
I try to me get one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna choke this.
Fix my glasses, you fall on my face. I gotta tighten them. Ow.
That good? Alright, stay tuned. Let's get this pot going. I'll show you guys how to eat tilapia egg.
Tilapia egg.
I'm joking. Yeah, man. Ama. Eh, ama. So, baby, how you doing? You got a number?
Bigyan pa spoon.
You got a number?
No.
Alright, let's pretend I hollering at her, alright? You're tweeting! You're tweety!
Me blind me na see.
That's alright, you can feel. Look at it.
Mango.
Green mango? Let me so yellow on the outside and the green inside.
The mango.
But how you know yam?
Only hard. Once he hard, you know he good for cook.
So how long you been waiting for this?
Long.
Long?
Last time I had fish egg was
Last year.
couple, yeah. Last year.
Christmas. When I have been by Freedom.
No.
When?
When I've been getting from
New York?
Rocky them.
Oh, Rocky then. For real?
Mm-hmm.
Since then?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Since then, I've not had back fish egg.
So now Priya them went to Guyana and they went to my auntie house in St. and Uncle Jack. And they got some eggs, so they donated some to us. So big up to Farmer Sham and Priya. Also big up to Uncle Jack and Auntie Sunta. And Booby don't want me next to the spot today. She's like, no, 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 no. You know Booby is a master chef. You know a lot of people like when you cook?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful day, guys. The weather has not been nice lately in Florida. I mean, it's still nice compared to everywhere else, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's up, princess? Mm-mm. What? So you graduate from Ramsey College?
Yeah, right.
Ramsey College. So tell the audience, where you from in Guyana?
Me from Jamaica.
Jamaica, Guyana?
No, Lusignan.
Lusignan.
And Enterprise.
And Enterprise.
Born in Lusignan, grew up in Enterprise.
So you was a dancer?
Yeah.
You was a dancer?
Not a dancer, professional, but yeah.
So you used to learn for dance in school?
Yeah.
So who was your teacher?
A lady named Sandy.
Sandy? She young or she old?
Older lady. A Douglas lady.
And you went to Apex in Guyana?
I used to eat Chinese food every day.
Right across the street? That way, Better Hope?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So you had boyfriend and thing in Guyana?
No.
You had no boyfriend in Guyana?
No.
So me and your first boyfriend?
Yeah.
First and last one?
Yeah.
If you'd have been say yeah, I'm gonna bring up my gun. Nice right now outside, huh?
Wait until some random.
Some time. Fresh time.
Yeah, not a lot. There's not enough egg.
The well holding up fine, man.
That's just to bring the flavor out.
Alright, time to shut up this pot.
Yeah, mix some more. Pot empty. Yeah, mix it for the pepper pot.
Alright guys, so in the comment section, rate this video 1 to 10. What you guys think of Booby cooking here today with this egg?
Masala.
This is homemade, right?
Curry powder.
So I see some people just cooking with turmeric alone and calling it,
I mean, turmeric, yeah, but they never taste the same.
and I'm gonna call them curry powder.
it never tastes the same.
Turmeric is just for coloring.
A little flavor, yeah, but too much turmeric can make your food bitter as well. Damn, look at the spoon. Jira. Boom. Let's see if we can fit them back. Yeah. Spoon look handicapped.
You guys gotta excuse all the leaves and stuff on the driveway because it's been raining lately, so we didn't get to blow out the yard.
And this is all you need to make your fish egg.
And your sugar. Not sugar, salt.
Are you a sugar fun? You bring this out?
Yeah. Oh shoot, I left it up there. Balu up here. Smell fire.
Salt. That's it. Masala ready.
All right, let's go by the pot. All right. Got your agua. Sound like you have. You can just put in.
Ready?
Let it go. Masala going in. So what are you going to throw in there now?
Mango and tomato. Now let this fry up a little bit. Then I'm going to throw in the okra and salt and egg and everybody.
Nice fire, man.
I smell. Ready, fishy. Masala, I smell.
Masala. So here, turn the pot.
Yeah. That's how you turn pot.
Oh.
Okay? Now that's how you spin them all the way around.
That's not how you turn pot. What you turn in there is the masala.
My son with it in the pot. My son with it in the pot.
Look good today, man. Why you look so sharp?
What a fool.
Hi.
What am I get for you? Your friend.
The way you get for me?
Yeah.
You know what that do to me?
Cha.
Shot by.
Now add a little water and let the mango by a little bit. Now you can smell the masala.
Wake up the neighborhood. All them cat and dog.
I'm waiting Balu come back.
Only when he smell food.
I cover this and I boil up and then I will go put the rest of stuff on.
Alright guys, stay tuned. Smell good there, man?
Our mango start to boil.
What I mean?
Once he half boiled, then I will go put in everything else inside. You know, I eat on hard mango, so you gotta buy it that way, you know?
You don't like hard mango?
No,
Oh.
only in pickle.
Oh, you like hard pickle?
Check a pot, check a pot.
Check them?
Check them, check them.
Look good.
No, open them and check them.
Oh.
Once he fried on back there, once he fried on back there, then I'm gonna add the egg in.
Alright, come here. You guys turn them. You cook.
Oh, you know what I'm cook today?
The important stuff you make.
Nice. They're ready then.
So you ready for the egg and everybody?
Egg is going now, yeah. Our water's supposed maybe you grow. What do you think?
Say so.
Boom.
When last you guys had some of this? Smell good, boob.
You have to have a breeze blow to get the hit of the masala. Alright.
Cover up. Let she cook up.
Because this not going to take a long time, you know.
10 minutes is done.
I like fry up in the masala a little bit and then I'll add water.
Alright.
Look, Woody the woodpecker. Ah, gone.
Nice.
How you look there? We smell.
Really?
Yeah. Add some water to them, no?
We bite up a little bit.
Bite up here.
So how old were you when you first started cooking?
8.
8?
And mommy learned me to make roti on fireside.
So you was 8 years old and you make roti?
I roti too.
What?
And she make me clap them with my hand.
What?
On the fireside.
How are you supposed to clap on with?
You know, nowadays people put them in mug and shake them.
Oh, that the right way? And then burn up your hand.
But yeah, she make a roti. Fried raw. And when daddy come home from work, daddy didn't believe me cook the food.
What?
He thought the mommy cooked the food.
So big up to Rookie.
Rookie learned me to cook since my 8-year-old.
So what's your dad's name? In Guyana?
Ravi.
Ravi.
Smack.
Smack? What?
What else? Bombra.
What? All them name here?
And he daddy name was Sugarman.
Sugarman.
Capman, yeah.
And they have a shop in Lusignan by
They
Stan.
used to sell in the market.
Stanley them. Who's Stanley?
Stanley is daddy's cousin.
Oh, okay, nice.
But yeah, my grandfather used to sell Mahika Market and Lusignan Market.
Mahika Market? That's where I'm from.
I know. Every Friday and Saturday.
Nice. Used to sell what?
Clothes and grocery.
Nice. And your dad's brother still live in Guyana?
One of them.
Alright guys. Egg done there? Shut. We left a lot of gravy because we're gonna make some cassava and drench it.
You
Smell.
can eat this. With whatever you want.
You can eat it with rice, roti, dumpling, cassava, plantain, just like that. I know Bobby's gonna have it just like that.
Yeah. How should look at? Done. Empty in the pan, and then I'm going to taste this. Fuck them up there. Out the fire, out the fire.
Just like that.
Fire out.
You gotta hold this thing because I live in the jungle.
If that fire catch on anyone, M3, done. The whole neighborhood done.
Alright, so I'm gonna try a piece of this one.
Yeah. How should it look there?
Let me get it out.
Look good.
Beautiful. Yeah?
That's what this little one. Does he hot? Yeah, good.
Alright, pumpkin. Do your thing.
You make me cook them and sample them too.
It's your day. It's called Cooking with Ken and Rhea.
I think you're getting pan.
That's okay. I know it's your favorite. And what you said, thank you guys for joining us.
And stay tuned for the pepper pot video, which will be out on Sunday.
Okay, please like, share, subscribe.
Peace.
Also hit the bell notification so you get notified when we put up new content. First of all, I would like to say namaste, assalamu alaikum, and good day to everybody. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to get update when we put up more video like this. Let me go take other thing fast, man. Wait up. Give me the damn phone, woman.